Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this Triumph Trident 660. As you can see, it comes with the luggage as well, along with the nice seat cover there which helps in the rain should you get caught out in it. Let's go do a full walk around of the bike here. So we'll start down at the forks, which are in very good condition. Plenty of life left in the discs and the pads. You can see the ABS there as well. Michelin tyre there on the front. Good bit of life left in that. Nice Puig screen here. Even though it's a relatively small screen, it does help just lift some of the wind off you whilst you're out in the road. Everything else is in good condition. Nice Michelin tyre on the rear as well. Again, plenty of life left in that, and the pads there. You've got the luggage on both sides, really easy to take off. There's a little clip there, and then it just slides off. There's a pole basically behind there, and it's kept everything locked in whilst you're on the road. There's a pole, just so you can see it. A bit more in the bike. Chain and sprockets are in very good condition, look pretty new to me. Again, just try to show you as much of the bodywork as we can. All looking good. Comes with the factory fitted heated grips. Your controls up here, including your road modes. All good. Let me get the bike started up and you can hear how she sounds. Let's start her up. Clutch in. It does show a service light. The bike was actually serviced back in March of this year, so it doesn't need a service. The light just wasn't able to be turned off. The guy didn't have the right tools for it. We'll double check with our mechanic and see if we can get them to turn that one off for you, just for the next bit of peace of mind. So whilst that bike's warming up, let me just start confirming everything else is working here. So we'll start with the indicators. That's your standard running light. Full beam here as well. It's kind of hard to see in this lighting, but it's there. So you've got it. You've got, as I say, a few modes on here, so you can main menu, zip computers, loads of different things. Road modes, road, green, nice and easy. Really easy to control, you just get up, down, left and right. You've got a gear indicator as well there, so we've got one on neutral obviously. And I'll give it a few revs and hear how she sounds.